episodes of some of your favorite BET comedies.
Sure enough.
Look at my daughters, Ugg and Lee.
Plus,
The civil authority has issued child abduction emergency for the following counties or areas. Texas, at 2:57 p.m. on APR 24th, 2025 effective until 2:57 p.m. APR 25th, 2025. Amber Alert. Child abduction from North Ridgeland Hills, Texas. Missing child is Ivanna González, 15-year-old Hispanic female. Call North Ridgeland Hills Police with information. If seen, call 911.
Heal your skin from within. Many adults saw 90% clearer skin. Some even achieved long-lasting clearer skin. And fast itch relief after the first dose. Severe allergic reactions can occur. Get help right away for face, mouth, tongue, or throat swelling, wheezing.
On car insurance, you switch to Geico. It's what you do.
Rick, don't walk away from me.
What's that, man? Come on, bro. This love has...
This is an activation of the Amber Alert system at the request of North Richland Hills Police. Police are looking for Ivanna González. She's a 15-year-old girl standing 4 feet 11 inches tall, weighing 115 pounds, brown hair and eyes. Last seen 3 in the morning on April 18th. She was last seen in the 7900 block of Hunter Lane North. If you have any information in this Amber Alert, please contact North Richland Hills Police or just call 911. We now return to normal programming on WBAP.
In the terrible silence.
If she's as bad as you say she is, I say you owe it to her to just snatch her dream away.